Well, guys, uyayiva ke ngoku. The fight between Casper and Pretty Ugly is still on. It's about to go down. The celebrity boxing match is set to take place in Pretoria this coming weekend and will be streamed live on television. Casper had previously announced during a press briefing that the Supersport had pulled out of the sponsorship deal. The deal was that Casper had to have a rematch with Nag Music, but this never happened. Casper took it to his social media this morning to announce that the boxing match will now be streamed live on ESPN Africa Channel 281 on DSTV. Now people, where's your money at? Is it on Casper or Pretty Ugly? The action will begin at 4 p.m. and you can get your tickets at web ticket for 350 rands for general seating and 1,200 rand for ringside seats. Watch what Casper said to his
ladies
fans.
and gentlemen, I got great news for y'all. A lot of people have been asking me about this, and I'm proud to announce that the fight is going to be broadcasted on ESPN Africa, which is channel 218 on DSTV. It's going to be going out to 60 countries. Not only that, but if you want to make a bet, make sure you go to Sportsbet, and that is the official betting platform. I think the odds are with me. So basically, if you bet on Pretty Ugly, you want to win double your money. I suggest you don't do that. If you want to win money, bet on me, because I'm definitely going to get the knockout. So if you bought your tickets, you're definitely going to be on TV this Saturday, Sunbet Arena, Sun Arena, Pretoria. Tickets out at Web Tickets. Let's try and sell out. Casper Invest, and I'm out. Shout out to Root of Fame, the official sponsor as well of the event. Go Philly.
Our next celebrity that we'll be talking about is Gogo Maweni. The controversial traditional healer Gogo Maweni has sent a strong message to her followers of the dangers of dating a wealthy man. She warned women not to be impressed by a man's riches, especially when she does not know how he acquired them. Taking it to Instagram, Gogo Maweni posted a video and said, "I'm happy to see women happy, dating and in love, kumnandi, and they want a rich guy because there are men who are told to look for specific girls to steal your shine, to steal certain things from you, and there are people who come into your life and things fall apart, all because they are stealing from your spirituality." The singer is no longer taking BS. She is sick and tired of being bullied. She got into a heated argument on Twitter, and the issue is between Kelly and her friend Wanda Baloyi. As we've seen in her latest reality TV show, she had a fallout with Wanda. Trips reacted on the latest episode. One wrote, "Ulwisa uWanda ngoba usuxolelene nosisi wakho wena Kelly." At Kelly Khumalo za impilento sihlobo #life with Kelly Khumalo, meaning you are fighting with Wanda just because you have reconciled or you have made peace with your sister. What you are doing is not nice. And Kelly didn't take that one lightly and responded and said, "Musa ukukhuluma amasimba awuhlukananga nalo omdefendayo. Unfortunately, the world doesn't revolve around you and your petty feelings, meaning stop talking shit. You are not different than the person you are defending. Your sis is not here to play. She is definitely defending herself." Another trip replied and said, "The world doesn't revolve around someone who knows Senzo's killer and keep that between her legs." Kelly also replied and said, "No one said it does, and that attention-seeking line is old. It actually has no effect anymore. It's been overused. Try something else." Another one said, "True Sissy, I love you both, and at Wanda Baloyi, I was heartbroken on the last episode. Can you please stop making enemies happy?" Kelly didn't take that one also and said, "No one is making anyone happy. People must just know their place. I need a friend, not a mother. I already got that covered." Kelly dealt with the trips decisively. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please